This is the formula for the sum of a geometric sequence. It's pretty easy to get. I've got a geometric sequence, A1, that's A1R. So the sequence will go something like this. To the n minus 1. And in order to get this, what I'm going to do is just multiply this by r, and it'll be apparent why in a moment. I'll just put the r out front over here. So if I were to do that, I'll get the same thing, but just with r. It's just 1 power higher. Oh, didn't mean to do that. And instead of n minus 1, this will just be r to the n. Because the term before it will be rn minus 1. This will just be 1 power greater. So what I'm going to do is, because these two things are equal, all I've done is just multiply both sides by r, so this is still equal to this. If I were to add 1 to both sides, it would still be equal. I can do whatever I want. It'll still be equal. So I'll just subtract these two things. And what's going to happen is all of these terms are going to start to cancel out. This will be subtracted, this will be subtracted, this will be subtracted, and basically all of them will be subtracted except for the first term of this sequence, of the first sequence, and the last term of the last sequence. So this will be A1 minus A1Rn. And now I can just factor out some stuff and then divide. So Sn 1 minus r is a factor. One minus r times Sn, which is the sum of this sequence. And A1 is a factor here. 1 minus Rn. So the sum of the sequence times 1 minus Rn is equal to whatever this stuff is. So I just divide out. So the sum of the sequence is equal to A1 times 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. Yep. And go up and look and see if it's the same. Sum of the sequence, A1 times 1R, 1 minus Rn, 1 minus R, same thing. That's how the sum of a geometric sequence is got.